incarcerated former Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan, has declared he will not negotiate with General Asim Munir or his regime following the arrest of his nephews. Khan issued the statement through his nominated interim party chairman, Barrister Gohar Ali Khan, after a rare meeting on Tuesday. He has otherwise been held in isolation without access to family members or party officials. Quote, after enduring 3 years of oppression and tyranny, and despite being on the path of truth, I spoke about negotiations in the national interest. But the political revenge against me and my family reached its extreme. Our people were directly fired upon, and even our opposition leaders in parliament were disqualified. After that, there is no room left for negotiations, unquote, Khan said. Khan was taken into custody after General Asim Munir became Chief of Army Staff and the de facto ruler of the country. Under Munir's tenure, Khan's wife, sisters, and nephews have all faced imprisonment at various times. Last week, Amnesty International condemned the arrest of Khan's nephews, stating, quote, the recent arrest of Sher Shah Khan and Shahrez Khan, nephews of former Prime Minister Imran Khan, in cases relating to the May 9, 2023 protests, are part of a political witch hunt aimed at intimidating the family members of political opponents. Amnesty International calls on Pakistani authorities to immediately release Sher Shah Khan and Shahrez Khan, unquote. Imran Khan, the illegally incarcerated former Prime Minister of Pakistan, has called on his party's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government to take a stand against military operations and drone strikes in the province. Pakistan's military government, led by de facto ruler General Asim Munir, has intensified drone attacks in several areas of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, resulting in civilian casualties, which the army has described as quote-unquote collateral damage. Locals, however, have voiced anger, saying children and other innocent civilians are among the victims. In a statement issued from his prison cell in the maximum security Adiala jail, Khan said, quote, drone attacks and military operations in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa must stop immediately. Ali Amin Gandapur and the provincial government must offer strong resistance on these issues.
बड़ा सख्ती से फिर से पैगाम दिया है कि जो केपी के इलाकों में ये जो दहशतगर्दी के खिलाफ के जो ऑपरेशन हो रहा है ये बंद होना चाहिए। पहले ही वहाँ पे सैलाब आया हुआ है और आप ये ऑपरेशन इसको बंद करें। इसके बहुत सख्त खिलाफ हैं और ये ड्रोन हमले हैं, चाहे वो पाकिस्तान के अंदर हो रहे हों, चाहे अफगानिस्तान जो कह रहे हैं कि हमारे हो रहे हैं, वो ये बंद होने चाहिए। और उन्होंने फिर से हदायत भेजी है कि ये बिल्कुल ऑपरेशन बंद हर हालत में।
Khan has consistently opposed military operations, arguing that such measures cannot resolve the conflict and that issues should be addressed through local engagement. Since the US-led war on terror began in 2001, he has led peace marches and protest sit-ins against these attacks.